So, today we are doing a Quarantini because everyone's in quarantine still, so we're self-isolating, but we're gonna get together. So me and my fam, we're gonna meet up on Zoom to do a taste test. Everyone's making their own Quarantini, but I'm gonna show you how to make what I looked up as a Quarantini. The Quarantini is 1 part either gin or vodka, 1 part a mixture of 50-50 honey and water, because you want to make sure that the honey will mix in, so you melt the honey and water. And we've pre-made that. For every drink, it's recommended that you do 1 squeezed fresh lemon. If you don't have a fresh lemon, you can do a shot or half a shot per drink. Let's get started! So we have 1 part the honey water that I made. It's 2 ounces. So we'll do 2 ounces also of vodka. The range is questionable.
Does that say ounces? Because I don't think so.
It says ounces.
Oh.
2 ounces. It's way above the line. We're in quarantine.
Who cares?
Anyways, this is 1 part of the lemon. 2nd part of the lemon. Shake this up!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we're recording.
Did you do this thing?
What is that?
Lemon peel.
Holy
Whoa,
moly!
they're fucking fancy as shit.
We do have lemon peels in ours.
Lemon peel, very pretty, and the lemon flower is sweet, but the fruit of the poor lemon
Oh no, I like your blue.
possible to eat.
Well, does everyone have their drink?
We have
Yeah.
So this, folks, is a Quarantini from a long distance away.
That was a good tink.
Cheers!
Ooh,
Ooh, I
It's
really
good.
taste honey.
Oh wow.
I like it. Woo!
Ours, had
Mildly
lime.
smooth.
Ours was a really
It's
tiny.
almost like honey.
Ours was a really tiny old lemon, and so I used a lime also.
Oh, how's
Lime
that?
and lemon?
Jen, are you shooting a Nerf gun at your dog?
I shot our neighbor. Sorry. Sorry.
I brushed my
Or are
teeth
you
recently.
Good one.
To enjoy that.
Is it? Did you use gin?
Yeah, we use this.
Oh, what you guys use?
Fancy gin.
We used Wasatch vodka.
We used
I'll be right
Uncle Val's Botanical Gin.
Oh, it's nice. We got it. We got it.
Impressive.
Yeah, it's small right. Uncle Val's Botanical Gin.
Oh, wow.
Now, let her. Tell her.
We used Sugar House vodka.
Very nice.
Sugar House.
Sugar House.
Very good. We used 3 olives.
Olives.
What? Oh, 3 olives vodka. I'm like, gross. Olives would be disgusting in this.
I like olives.
Does the gin add more flavor to it?
Yeah, for sure. It tastes like flowers.
Ooh. But the honey still comes through? Because ours, just because of the vodka, just tastes straight up like honey and lemon.
Oh, ours, I don't taste a very strong honey flavor.
So it's important that everyone knows we're all in this together. Ish.